I want to tell you a story. A story about hitting a weight loss plateau and how I overcame it. It's a story many of you can relate to. You start a diet and exercise plan, and at first you're seeing great results. The scale moves downward, your clothes fit better, you feel motivated. But then something changes. The scale stops moving. No matter what you try, no matter how hard you diet or how much you exercise, the stubborn number refuses to budge. You feel frustrated, demotivated, and honestly, a bit lost. You might even start to believe that weight loss has stopped working. But what if I told you there's a simple solution to this common problem? A solution that most fitness gurus never talk about. For weeks, I thought I was doing everything right. I was eating the right foods, lean protein, plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, low sugar, low fat, and I was exercising regularly. In fact, I was working out like a madman, doing endless cardio and weight training. Yet I was stuck at the same weight for almost 2 months. No matter what I tried, the scale wouldn't move, so I decided to do something crazy. I cut my calories even more, tried fasting, even switched to eating super clean, meaning I cooked all my meals at home, using only fresh ingredients. But guess what? Nothing worked. I was desperate. Then I started researching, and I discovered that my problem wasn't just food, it was stress. My late night scrolling on social media. My 5-hour sleeps and my high-intensity workouts were keeping my cortisol levels sky high, and high cortisol can literally block fat loss. So I made a change. Instead of pushing harder, I did less. I swapped late-night phone time for earlier sleep. I cut my workouts from 6 intense sessions to just 4, with 2 of them being simple walks. And I added magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, dark leafy greens, and even a small square of dark chocolate before bed to help calm my nervous system. Within the first week, I noticed better sleep and more energy. I didn't think much of it at first, but after 10 days, I dropped 4 pounds. Not from starving myself or doing extreme workouts, but from letting my hormones finally reset. It was like a switch flipped in my body, and suddenly I was burning fat again. So why does this work? Well, when you lower stress and improve sleep, your cortisol and insulin levels balance. That balance tells your body, it's safe, you can burn fat again. Without that balance, no diet or workout will work long term. Your body won't let go of fat if it thinks you're under threat. Here's the step-by-step plan. If you want to try this, prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Set a cutoff for screens at least 1 hour before bed. Add magnesium-rich foods daily. This could be a handful of spinach, some pumpkin seeds, or a small square of dark chocolate. At least 85% cocoa before bed can help calm your nervous system. Swap 2 of your high-intensity workouts for lower stress activities like walking or yoga, and track your weight, your mood, and your sleep for 1 week. Don't be surprised if you notice the scale move. It might not be much, but it's a start. Many people have tried this and seen amazing results. Now, if this sounds easy, it's because it is. But that doesn't mean it's not challenging. It takes discipline to change your habits, to resist the urge to check your phone late at night, or to swap that intense workout for a walk in the park. But the results are worth it. If you've been stuck on a weight loss plateau for a long time, maybe it's not about eating less. Maybe it's about stressing less. Try this for a week and let me know in the comments what happens. And if this helped you, hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more people who need it. Subscribe for more simple fat loss strategies and check out my next video where I explain why overtraining might be the reason you're not losing fat. Thanks for watching.